can protect our rights if we are not satisfied with the price or quality of goods and services that we receive. Hi everyone and welcome back to episode 13 of Iuris Scientia for the Soul. I am Wei Wen, Exco Public Relations and Alumni of thirteenth Law Student Society. And today, I'm going to share with you your rights as a consumer. As a consumer, we are protected under the Consumer Protection Act 1999. In its amendments in 2007, the scope of this act was widened to include the electronic commerce transactions. It means that our right as a consumer should be covered if we purchase online. But the precondition is the seller are registered with Suruhan Jaya Syarikat Malaysia (SSM). However, it does not apply to land transactions, healthcare services, security transactions, future contract, and services provided by professionals. So, what can you do if you are not satisfied with the price or even the quality of goods and services you receive? Lodge a complaint with the Ministry of Domestic Trade, Cooperative and Consumerism, also known as KPDN-HEP, by call, by WhatsApp, through their website at e-aduan KPDN-HEP, send letters or emails, or walk in to any KPDN-HEP branch near you. There is another way to protect your rights as a consumer. File a claim at the Tribunal for Consumer Claims for any loss suffered on any matter concerning your interest as a consumer. It differs from logging a complaint. The tribunal is an alternative forum to civil court for consumers to file redress claims against manufacturers, sellers, or service providers. Nevertheless, the tribunal also promises that all claims heard will be resolved within 16 days from the first hearing in a fair manner. However, please note that not all claims received are under the tribunal's jurisdictions to be resolved. The Tribunals for Consumer Claims has jurisdictions to hear claims by a consumer against a supplier's, seller, or traders for redress for the purchase of goods or services permitted as provided under the Consumer Protection Act. The total amount of the claim must not exceed 50,000 ringgit Malaysia, and a claim which accrues within 3 years of claims is also under the jurisdictions of this tribunal. Next, what you need to do in order to file a claim at the Tribunal for Consumer Claims. First, fill up and submit the statement of claim at any tribunal office or through the e-tribunal portal with a fee of 5 ringgit. After your claim is logged with the tribunal, you will receive a notice of hearing, which consists of the date, place, and time of the hearing. You are not allowed to appoint a lawyer at a hearing, so represent yourself to the hearing and bring along the copies of the statement of claim, the statement of defense and counterclaim from the respondent, and your supporting documents. You are also allowed to bring witnesses before the hearing. And awards, which means the tribunal order, will be made by the President of the Tribunal. Under Section 116 of Consumer Protection Act, the awards made by the Tribunal shall be final and binding on both parties, and shall be deemed to be an order of a magistrate court. If you are not satisfied with the awards, you may also file an application to the High Court for judicial review. However, what if you or the respondent fails to comply with the awards made by the tribunal within 14 days? Under Section 117 of Consumer Protection Act, you will be liable to a fine not exceeding 10,000 ringgit Malaysia or to imprisonment not exceeding 2 years or both. Now, you know what you can do if you are not satisfied with your purchase. So next time, instead of blasting it on social media, you may protect your rights as a consumer by the way they are shared in this episode. Exercise your rights as a consumer and submit your complaint to the right channels. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you!